Well, hello, my name is Pavel, and today I'm going to explain LeetCode problem palindromic substrings. Here we are given a string s, and we should return a number of palindromic substrings. And to solve this problem, we would use sliding windows technique. Let's look at example first, and let's look at constraints first, just because it's important that we have only lowercase English letters in our initial string and length of the string from 1 to 1000. So okay, so let's first determine what is palindrome. It, for example, would be race car, and this word is we could read the same from left to right and from right to left. So it's a first base case, and for example second base case when we have without a middle element, it's also a palindrome with two same characters in the middle. So each character itself is palindrome. We would solve it by for example, it would be better to understand using second example. Let's say we have A, and sliding window about going through string and iteratively use like a caterpillar, I would say, and just move by one element, and for the second element reduce initial element and do the same. So in our case, we take first element first. It would be 1, just because itself character is palindrome, and we just move to left and right. And here, just because we outside of the string, it would not do nothing. So we take in consideration our second base case with two elements, it's AA actually. It would be our second palindrome. We move to the next character, it would be A. So as we mentioned, each character itself is palindrome. We take second, we move to left and to right, and we got 3A. It would be our first palindrome. After that we take two elements, it would be 5, and at the end we just take in consideration last element, it would be 6. So I hope it's it would help someone, yeah, because it's a bit messy, but I hope you understand the idea. So we got two base cases, and from that point we just move for each case from to left and right and just counting. So okay, let's go to code. Okay, in code, first we introduce our result variable. Let's call it result. Initialize with 0. After that, I prefer to use character array, char array. Let's call it characters. New char. Char array. We move from first element to the last element using simple loop. And our two base cases would be used here. our first base case when we use same character, and our second base case when we use first and next character. Okay, and we simply return result. Sorry, I just won't use same variables for different purpose. Cherry here, left element and right element. Okay, int count, and while left is more than 0, more or equal, and right is less than character length, and characters left is equal to characters right. We just count, increment count variable, and going to the left by decreasing, and going to the right by increasing. And after that return count, and everything should be fine here. Maybe some mistypo. Okay, let's see. Okay. Okay. Okay, it should be fine. Okay, so time complexity for the solution would be n squared, just because in certain cases we will go through our string twice. In reality it would be a little bit less than n squared, but as always we just remove constant, and so that's why time complexity would be O of n squared, and space complexity will be O of 1, just because we not introduce any, but actually it would be O of n, just because I use array of characters, and it would be length of s. So but we could avoid using characters and simply use method char add, so you can use it. Okay, thank you for watching, have a nice day.